Go, can you say how old you are?
3.
3. Nico. Special delivery. Hola, baby.
Wait, you're not going in the
No,
front,
papi, what do you have? Is that?
I have a hot.
Oh, Nico, what does your shirt say? Which one? I don't think
That one is
Hey, how about this one? Look. Ooh, that one looks nice.
Let's go.
I would have thought he would have gone for the chocolate.
I know. I'm between this one, chantilly cake, or that one. Or that one.
The mango yuzu.
Que mango yuzu, el lechon
Nico
cake.
over here. Nico over here, buddy.
There you go. Ooh, who's here?
Everyone.
Look! Look who's having a picnic!
The bungalow. I think I got the number.
You think so? Let's see. Pull it out. What is it?
And the number books.
The number box.
You like it? Show me. Show me the other side. Let me see.
The number books.
You love number blocks. What do we get for dinner?
You got pizza for dinner. Nico's favorite pizza from his favorite place, Papa John's.
But what pizza do we get?
We got cheeseburger pizza because we wanted to try it out, and Nico got his favorite cheese pizza.
I'm gonna sing happy birthday to Nico. Una, dos, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Harder. Oh, almost down. Harder.
Yeah!
Yeah! He's eating all the bees.
Is that you?
That's me, bro.
Two more questions to you guys.
Yeah! Well, today is part 2 of Nico's birthday, and we're just gonna take him downtown to have some fun. He's been wanting to ride the bus. This is one of his favorite things to do, so we're hopefully gonna take him to Maggie Daley Park and then go to the Target downtown, which we haven't been to yet, and then just grab some lunch and come back home and maybe sing him happy birthday again and split open another cake. Let the festivities continue.
Favorite store. How does it feel to be?
I got christened on Nico's birthday.
Pussy.
Nope.
Yeah.
It's like a whole cup of tea. I just had one sip, and Nico was like, let me grab onto this table, and it just...
It does. You can't even tell.
Yeah, man, it's slightly dry. I mean, I'll survive.
Where are we going?
I'm not sure.
Let's collect all together. And go play outside.
He wants to go play outside. wanted Nico to get wet, and he does not want to. Whoa, that is very cool. I found them. I think it's a little hot.
Yeah, it's slightly hot. It's way too hot to be here out, in the playgrounds and playing. And Nico's all like red, so looks like a tomato.
I think we're gonna go to the Lego store instead.
Yeah, just
wait
chill
for
out a
lunch.
and cool down before lunch. Come on, chill.
We're on a wheel.
Who is it? How do we get there?